Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Techno Guy, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you that what is Fortube, FOR, features, tokenomics and price prediction. So let's start our video. So here's here Alexandria Tech Deep Dives. What is Fortube, FOR, features, tokenomics and price prediction by Hassan Sheikh. So here's yet a coin market cap takes a deep dive into Fortube FOR, a DeFi lending platform that runs on an open source blockchain and offers crypto finance solutions to its users. So here's yet uh, basically table of content is also provided here. How does Fortube work? Vision behind Fortube FOR, roadmap of Fortube FOR, unique features of Fortube FOR, governance structure, membership system, education academy for users, full positions guarantee, risk control framework, Fortube FOR tokenomics, Fortube price prediction and future outlook. So here's it. Basically, Fortube FOR, previously known as the Force Protocol, work on an automated algorithm and smart contract that supports multiple cross-chain assets. The Fortube FOR token holders can take part in governance activities and stake their tokens on the Fortube platform. So here's it. How does Fortube FOR work? So by utilizing the pooling of funds, Fortube FOR platform allows users to earn interest or provide collateral to borrow a crypto asset. This mechanism works similarly to the collateral loan system in the conventional finance world. The users who deposit their crypto assets are given interest-bearing tokens which accumulate deposit plus the generated interest over a certain period. The asset market are divided into two sections, namely the main market and the innovation market. The main market covers the top collateral assets such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other stable coins, while the innovation market consists of those assets that have a limited operation time and carry some risk as well. This segregation is done to make sure that the risk is divided into two rather than one single pool. So here's it, vision behind Fortube FR. Fortube is the product of the Force Protocol Foundation Limited, which was founded by Pete Mardell, who is also the CEO and founder of the company. The vision behind creating the Fortube FR protocol is to encourage crypto investment in the DeFi sector by promoting financial inclusion through financing and trading services and providing a reliable platform for crypto business. A roadmap of Fortube FOR. The Fortube project has already achieved more than 50% of its milestones in a short period, completed targets including the introduction of physical assets into the DeFi protocol, release of Fortube's version 3.0 and 3.5, addition of a governance structure, and aggregation of farming functions. In the near future, the Fortube FOR platform plans to implement a multi-chain ecosystem architecture, provide support for mainstream public chains, and support more physical assets to complete its objective of becoming an all-around decentralized financial service provider. So here's yet a unique feature of Fortube FOR governance structure. The governance structure allows FOR tokens holders to stake their tokens and obtain reward depending on the number of tokens staked on the Fortube network. The holders of the FOR tokens can also vote on the key decisions for each lending pool. These decisions may include suggesting changes to the platform like interest rate models, risk control factors, and future upgrades. So this diagram shows the overall governance structure of the four token and how it works. So here's it. System reserve basically receive 20% of fees. Here's it. Operating expenses R&D funds receive 10% of fees. After that, fee collection and then stable pool, innovation pool, FDA 01, FDA 02, and for holders. So here's it. Membership system to encourage the members of the Fortube community to participate in the projects in ecological development. It has launched a membership plan which provides a monthly revenue of 8% for the participating members. Each membership can be upgraded depending upon the star value that increase with the participation. After each month, the top 10% of members are issued rewards. The star value is reset again. So basically, here's it, educational academy for users. There is a dedicated educational academy for users to learn how the Fortube platform work. It includes the explanation of NFT, liquidation, DEX, and other aspects of the DEFI ecosystem that will spread the knowledge of the Fortube product and an understanding of the DEFI world. So here's it, full position guarantee. The Fortube protocol follows the full position guarantee mechanism, which means that whenever a borrower deposits their collateral asset, the calculation of the health index, which is the reflection of the health of a user's debit, is calculated in relation to the total borrowed and deposited asset of a user. This provides a huge benefit to the user as it reduces the risk of a single asset implementing and having a significant negative impact on the health index. So here's the risk control framework. The Fortube protocol provides three types of risk control management strategies, which include financial smart contract and Oracle securities. So financial security consists of individual level and system level security, which makes sure that the user is protected from financial risks that happen either at the contract or token level. Unauthorized use of contract management accounts, abnormal user openings, sudden and significant decline in the health of positions, and so on are some of the examples of the financial security provided by the Fortube coin. Fortube protocol, smart contract security, and the smart contract security for the of the Fortube platform consists of experienced contract developers and audit and monitoring system and multiple audit mechanisms to make sure that smart contracts are protected. The Fortube protocol has deployed highly qualified contract developers who make sure that every security vulnerability in the smart contract is resolved to avoid huge losses. Basically, this is all about the Fortube features, tokenomics, and price prediction. So, if you like my video, then please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.